Do it again. Front flip. Guys, what is, dude? What the, dude, you're stuck, you're stuck.
Bentley, where are you? Come here. Bentley. Hey, what's up? 3, 2, 1. Stop it.
What are you doing?
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Oh, are you okay?
Wonder why there's dogs like not wanting to go downstairs. Oh. Oh.
Nah, nah, nah.
See him. My cat is sitting just right. Oh my gosh, you can.
What? Yeah. Oh.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Are you dead? Kitty? Oh, what happened?
Come on, door! Now! Right fucking now!
Hi. How are you doing this?
Ow! I can't even use the bathroom. Get your bad ass.
Oh, you got a brain cell today. Nope.
A fancy feast. Oh.
No, 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 I need that.
Three Minneapolis beaches.
Oh my god. Melvin! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Don't you dare do that.
Abla şuna bir zincir mincir takın, bir şey takın ya, böyle olmaz.
Other around, and then they keep each other company when you're at work.
There's a strong possibility. Okay, you don't want to kiss me?
It's a fancy feast. Are you good?
It's okay.
Babe.
belly. It's so chunky. I'm so sorry.
It's not open.
Are you an elf? Oh, oh my god.
Hey! Hey! It's not open.
What are you doing?
It does not smell that bad, bro. You're tripping.
A fancy feast.
You see how I'm outside and I'm connecting with nature?
All right, everyone, quiet down. Let the professor begin.
It's gonna be hot.
Shut your mouth.
Little baby man. Little baby man.
What? I'm catching you like this.
I'm married, sir. Oh, I want to see it then. Sorry. Are you for real? Go away. I'm taking a shit.
Nana!
Levi? Yes, good girl.
Oh, that's his head.
Look at this belly. It's so chunky. I'm so sorry.
Damn it, Chucky!
No. Oh, that's not for you. Hey.
Let go.
What are you doing?
Hello, Phoenix.
Can you believe it? I'm at that stage. Son of a bitch.
Oh my god!
Hey. Hey. Hey.
You want some treats? Yeah.
We're just gonna slide. Oh!
saying that you took a poo, but it's okay. Airports are really anxiety inducing.
Okay. Here, hold this. Thanks.
Bro, can you get your tail out of my bath? Thank you.
Hi, Sam.
Chad, what are you doing?
We vibe? Yes, good girl.
The cat's strange expression.
No, chica.
What is happening?
Why, mate? This is you lot getting off.
Sine 2x over x?
You inside the apartment! Your neighbor saw you go inside!
Oh, cute kitty. So vicious.
That was legitness.
Thank you.
Eyesight is weaker than others, and due to their deafness, they cannot hear danger, which makes them defenseless against predators and vehicles. Life on the streets for them is a real gamble, but despite all
You had to go in there.
Hello. Ow!
Can't behave.
Give it. Give it.
Black cats are loyal and gentle.
Oh. Oh no. Oh my god.
What happened?
Yeah. She's thinking about it. Look at her. She's like, this is. Oh!
You cannot have an entire loaf of bread! Stop it! Nusha, do you have comments? Your husband was taken to the gulag and now...
Oh, are you okay?
Oh my god.
Here you go, big guy.
You fucker!
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Ayo, good.